CanAlaska has 18 projects in the Athabasca Basin. These uranium projects are very large, they've had a lot of money spent on them. Mitsubishi has funded over $16 million worth of work on our West MacArthur project, and we had the opportunity to buy it back for $600,000. Manitoba has been very good for us in the last 2 years. Chuck Fipke's put just over $5 million into a target we found. That target looks very similar to what NextGen's drilling on the other side of the Athabasca Basin. They've got enough drill holes into it at the moment to know that it is a significant target, and I expect this year that they'll put a number of drill holes into the 3 or 4 main targets and then chase some other targets around there. CanAlaska's got a lot of properties. We have no debt, we have cash in the bank, we have a very tight share structure. We suffered after Fukushima. We came down from $1.65 down to 16 cents. We're sitting there now, we haven't issued any more shares. 22 million shares. This is a very good company to go forward with because of our projects and the interest in our projects. We're the same as all junior companies. We need financing, but I think we can get that financing for bringing in partners. As I said earlier, we've got 18 projects. We look to have new partnerships forming on them since Mitsubishi's left. We've had quite a lot of interest on our main project at West MacArthur, but we recently did a deal with Denison. So I think what do we need right now? More money, more attention, but really more deals, and that's what we're focusing on. Always the biggest risk in a junior is running out of cash. The markets have been very bad for everybody. We're sitting on enough cash to keep us going through this year and next year. We believe those next deals will help us. So the biggest risk is cash flow. But news, we are getting drill holes into the ground right now, and those drill holes should give us news. So I don't see too many risks on us at this stage. Uranium has been around since 1970 when the world said, well, let's go into nuclear power. It's clean, efficient, and cheap. We saw that resurgence back in 2000, 2002, and 2004. We acquired new ground. All this time there's been built out of nuclear reactors around the world, the Chinese especially, doubling the number of reactors in the world. But in the US, we're seeing 5 reactors built right now. A lot of workers, 3,000 people in Georgia working on nuclear reactors. CanAlaska has the ability to find new uranium deposits in the Athabasca to supply those reactors. Uranium's been our number one interest for the last 10 years. While the downturn has been upon us in the last 2 years, we've acquired other projects. One of the most fascinating ones are the Piku diamond targets in northern Saskatchewan. We assembled a team, put together a number of targets that we staked, and we've optioned off half of those targets now. We have several other diamond interests that we're working on this year, and hope to get a bit of market attention from those. They could become very important to the company as we go forward.